Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best portable steam iron in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is PurSteam, World's Best Steamers Professional Grade 1700W Steam Iron. Pure Professional Steam 1700W Steam Iron is a self-cleaning steam iron quality, manufactured from high-quality components 40% stronger than its competitors. The user makes you feel fully satisfied as long as the product is used. Input heat quickly and evenly strap on their needs and are made of strong beam to soften steam, straightening, pressing will add a touch of class to any garment. This means that it takes less time and steam presses the same number and type of garment, in comparison with other steam iron. It comes with a padded stick stainless steel plate with holes minimum steam and has only the correct number of holes ejecting steam necessary to achieve the best results on board. What's more, these holes are scientifically dimensioned and positioned in an optimal delivery of steam to ensure distribution. Additionally, you can select the heating level recommended by the thermostat knob strategically at the top of the housing above the sole to ensure that it does not interfere with the ironing finger. In addition, selection controls add steam convenience steam releases each time. In general, this steam iron drops and water do not escape to cause problems. Your descaling function ensures no accumulation no matter how minerals times in these steam iron in use, and each structure is automatically removed by its self-cleaning mechanism. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rowenta DW9280 Digital Display Steam Iron. One of the best steam iron that comes through the DW9280 Rowenta German innovation to your home. These powerful iron can straighten and fold all types of clothing, but also curtains, bedding, or if they feel ceilings, as the dynamics of the game board to the next level. For steam holes ensure that they obtain a uniform distribution of steam over the surface. At the same time, only stainless steel slides have no problems at all fabrics. A nice advantage is the practical digital display and controls that bring some fun technology one touch. LED displays are useful. They are exactly what are ironed to let them know the type of fabric based on the selected temperature. This professional device can be designed to iron, often that, but trust us, you will love its insuperable even if you are ironing planning a t-shirt before Christmas versatility. Number 3. Our third best pick is Shark Steam Iron Red. Another high iron that made our list. Red Iron Steam 8.5-inch sole with micro holes littered the promotion uniform distribution of steam. The system of powerful steam is also capable of quickly straightening out all the wrinkles and folds and can easily. One easy loading door is large enough to allow water flow, without problems. This does not mean you will not need to keep the iron upright during filling, but the process is easier than similar devices. A tip adjustment knob also ensures smooth sliding maneuverability in most tissues. A good weight of only 3.2 pounds and large, the balance also makes this easy to use iron. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Panasonic NIL70 SRW Cordless Steam Iron. Did you know that steam iron, more or less like anything else, has developed and left without cable? If so, then you should check this Panasonic NIL70 SRW Cordless Iron. You will be given the opportunity to enjoy ironing trouble whenever and wherever you want. Steam and dry iron settings make this fight horse perfect for use on all fabrics, while the sole slides smoothly bent on all garments. 3 levels of heat and add vertical steam options to the game that allows you to get rid of wrinkled garments. Leaving and performance also depends aside, this cordless iron impresses with flawless aesthetics. Maybe you do not like ironing, but we are sure that all people admire his taste. An ergonomic handle and controls conveniently located, a charging style, and cover the useful iron with that title deserve to win among the best in its class. Our practical guidance for best home automation devices provides the greatest of these products. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Rowenta DW6080 Eco Intelligent Steam Iron. This iron lightning weight, even by the highest pile of clothes in every time, thanks to its stainless steel sole plate glides easily over 400 micro holes to distribute thoroughly for steam. 3D design of the sole. The steam can also be concentrated under the sole to reduce its loss. Rowenta DW6080 works with normal tap water and comes with a mode of eco-intelligence. You can treat wrinkles and creases with all kinds, can satisfy the thoughtful soul. Attractive flowers on a black background and detail of the green acid gives elegance to this utility eye device. Plus, you get everything you might expect from a modern steam iron, such as vertical steam, anti-drip and self-cleaning systems, and automatic shutdown. This also makes a perfect gift for opening love. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.